Good morning mga sadik. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Pinoy Sadik. Today I will be showing to you how to add receiver, how to use STC Pay, and how to send money from Saudi Arabia to Philippines. It means STC Pay to Western Union or Cebuana Dolir or to your bank account. So let's go. Welcome to Pinoy Sadik. From your mobile, choose STC Pay application, click, and I will log in using my fingerprints. Click login. Then he is asking you to put your finger on the sensor, and now this is what is inside STC Pay application. You have your money in STC Pay account. If you want to add money from your debit card or credit card, use this button. And these are the services of STC Pay: transfer money to contact, request money, international transfer, send gifts, local transfer, STC bill sawa. So since we are sending money internationally, it means from Saudi to Philippines, we will use international transfer. This time we are going to add the receiver. And please take note that you need only two requirements. One is full name of the receiver, which is matched to his or her ID. And the second one is the age. Let's say I will send to Alvin Cruz and age is 40. Let's check at the bottom. Then you will find the add new receiver. And then you have to enter his full name, Alvin Cruz, space, again the relationship. It could be relatives, personal, household, business, employee. So he is my friend. And then country, he is from Philippines. So I choose Philippines. And delivery option, Western Union, cash pickup, transfer to bank account, or direct to Cebuana. So I choose Western Union, and he is asking you preferred currency, Philippine peso. Just click continue. After reviewing, then do you know the receiver nationality? That's it. Yes. What is the nationality? Philippines. Each, let's say 40. And click OK. But then continue. Then wait for the SMS code 0353. Oh, invalid. I entered wrong. Again, resend. It is telling after 1 minute or 60 seconds. Let's wait. 333348. Now that's all. That's it. New receiver added. And the number is receiver 21. So done. To check, now Alvin Cruz is added and approved. Now you are ready to transfer money. But make sure you have money on your STC PAY account. How to check? Go back. And here you can see I have only 79 halala and I cannot transfer, so I need to add money on the next video. Thank you for watching. Ma'asalama.